Hey guys, it's that Dividend guy coming at you with another Robinhood portfolio update. Happy Monday. Hopefully everybody's having a GGD, a great green day in the market. You know I always wish the best for my viewers and subscribers. So guys, today we're going to go over the overall portfolio, how it's done for the day, week, month, 3-month mark, year to date, 1 year mark, and all time. So right now we have, for today, we are down about $90 for the week mark. We are down $832. The 1 month mark, we are down right around $977. Then 3 month mark, we're down $1,600. Year to date, we're down $1,500. For the year, we are down $3,500, down 6.5%. And then all time, we are up $13,630.04, or up 38.28% all time. Have buying power of $1.94 right now, and that was from me buying a share of Realty Income last week. So jumping into the portfolio, we now have 143 shares, around $8,700 worth of market value. Average cost did go down to $67.10 when I bought that extra share. 17.65% of the portfolio is in Realty Income. Today, we are down $37 total. We are down $900, down almost 9.5% on this holding, and I plan on buying more once I have the extra cash. Then we've got Coca-Cola, 10 shares, looking to add another zero behind that before the end of the year. Market value is $612. Average cost is $60.84. 1.24% of the portfolio is in Coca-Cola. Today we are up $3. Total we're up $3.56, up about 0.6%. Coca-Cola is paying us a dividend on April 3rd of $4.60 for my 10 shares. Next up, we've got Altria, which I know we're down big on right now. 315 shares, around $13,950 of market value. Average cost is $47.34. 28.34% of the portfolio is in Altria. Today we are up $100. Total we are down $960, down 6.4% today. And of course we do have a dividend coming in of $296.10, and that is from MO. That is the biggest paying dividend stock in the portfolio. So it has really helped out the portfolio to have that dividend income, and it will allow me to buy a few shares of Coca-Cola, right around 5 shares, around $60 a share. Then we've got Apple, which is down, just not down enough, down almost $2 today. Have a single share. Of course, market value reflects the stock price of $158.26. Average cost is $132.66. 0.32% of the portfolio is in Apple. Today we are down around $2. Total we're up $25. We're up 19%. This is one that I will be pouring money into. I love Apple. It's one of my favorite companies on the entire stock market, followed behind Coca-Cola. So this will be one of the top 5 foundational stocks, one of the top 5 biggest positions. Right now, I'm thinking it's going to be Coca-Cola, followed by Apple, and then T. Rowe Price. But it'll take some time to get there. Of course, as you guys saw, Altria is a pretty big position, as is AbbVie and as is T. Rowe Price. So it will take a lot of capital to get, Apple to be in that top tier or in that big of a position. It'll take a lot of capital. But I think over time, this will become one of the most fruitful positions in the entire portfolio. Already up over almost 20%, right? So can't complain about that. I just want more of it. Then we've got AbbVie, 95 shares, around $14,970 worth of market value. Average cost is $95.19. 30% of the portfolio is in AbbVie. So right now, I think that's the biggest single position in the portfolio. Let me look. Yep. So AbbVie right now is the biggest single position. I just wasn't sure if Altria was more, just because I believe the market value for Altria $13.95. Oh no, yep, AbbVie is. So 30% of the portfolio is in AbbVie. That is because I put a lot of money in this position when it was down during the Allergan acquisition, and it has panned out beautifully. Another one that is close to, I don't know if it's still happening or not, but I do know Activision Blizzard was looking to be acquired by Microsoft, so they were going to purchase it at, I think, 90, what was it, 95 a share? So that is a similar deal to what happened here with AbbVie, but I'm up $5,900 or 65% overall on this position. Love AbbVie, would love to add more, but just like with Apple, I am up significantly, so I don't want to bump up my cost basis. I want to wait, be patient and diligent until those stocks are down below my average cost. Then we got T. Rowe Price, which is sitting down way below where I bought it, but I still bought it at a good price, right around $109 a share. We've got 100 shares, right around $10,900 of market value. Average cost is right around $122 per share. 22% of the portfolio is in T. Rowe Price. Today we're down $109. In total, we're down $1,300, down almost 11%, but a dividend coming in on March 30th. So here, but by the end of the week, I will be getting that T. Rowe Price dividend. So guys, I would be pouring money into T. Rowe Price if I could, because honestly, if you look at it right now, my average cost is what, 122. So at my average cost, I had about $30, $35 of upside. Now I have about $50 of upside. So per 100 shares, if I had about $30 of upside, that's a $3,000 upside on a $10,000 investment. So pretty good return, but this of course is even better. So I would be pouring money into this position if I had the opportunity right now. So next we're going to take a look at the watch list, which is Visa. I want to buy this stock around $190 to $200, so I'm going to be sitting pretty on this for quite a while. I want it to drop about $22 in share price or $32 in share price, so I will not be touching Visa until it gets into my buy range. And guys, I am a very patient long-term investor. I do not mind waiting. I want it to be kind of like a T. Rowe Price deal where I bought it with a certain amount of upside and I was comfortable there, and now that it's lower than that, I will pour money into it. Visa is one of those that doesn't seem to drop very often. Of course, when the entire market does it, it drops, but in the past year it's had a major dip, but overall, if you look at it, it's pretty high riser. Of course, everything dropped during the COVID pandemic, but it did have a decent drop here in September or October of 2022 down to 183. But that's really the only time it's hit my buy range. It looks like in the past year, it's fluctuated down, but not quite to the price that I wanted at. So I'm going to be patient and diligent here with Visa. Next, we've got Berkshire, which is still sitting pretty right about my buying price. I believe 362 is the 52-week high, so have about $60 of upside in the stock. I don't plan on selling Berkshire once I own it. I did actually own it at one point because I kind of bought. I didn't mean to buy and sell, but I kind of did because I had limit purchases for like $330, and I realized that was way higher than I wanted to buy it, so I had to buy it because of my market order because I wanted $30 of upside, and I was like, oh no, I'll go for 60 instead. So that was a market order I had a long time ago, like 3 years ago when I was first learning about Berkshire. So it actually activated. I think it said it was it was 2022, so see what I mean, 2018, and then I set up another one for 330, and it was a limit buy. So yeah, I didn't mean to do that, but it's okay. Lesson learned. I do want to own Berkshire, and when I own it at the price I want it, I will be owning it for a very long time. But learn my lesson with limit orders there. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button on my channel, that dividend guy. Guys, I've been loving the growth. I've been seeing comments. I've been getting Instagram messages. People are excited that I'm back. I'm super pumped to, even though the portfolio is down right now, this is a buying opportunity for a couple of big stocks in the portfolio. Right now, Altria and T. Rowe Price, and I believe O right now too is like 60. Yep, I have a huge buying opportunity on O, Altria, and an even bigger one on T. Rowe. So right now, I'd want to be buying O and focusing on O and T. Rowe. So with that being said, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Take care.